Charlie's Pool Service. Quality customer service is our top priority, along with the dedication to providing you with the best pool and spa care possible. We offer a broad range of remodeling services, such as pool and spa repair, plaster, tile, coping, and installs. We can also take care of your maintenance, equipment upgrades, and equipment repairs. We also offer weekly or one-time pool cleaning. So if you're in the Lewisville or Flower Mound, Texas area, then call us today or visit us online at charliespoolservice.com.